Welcome to English Teaching Friends. Today we are practicing 70 sentences for everyday conversation. You will hear each sentence followed by a slow, clear repetition line. Speak with me, shadow the voice, and practice out loud. The more you repeat these sentences, the more confident you will become. Let's begin. Sentence 1. Good morning. Repeat after me. Good morning. You can use this sentence to greet someone at the start of the day. Sentence 2. How are you doing? Repeat after me. How are you doing? Ask this when you want to check how someone feels. Sentence 3. I'm doing well, thank you. Repeat after me. I'm doing well, thank you. A polite reply you can use anytime. Sentence 4. How was your night? Repeat after me. How was your night? Use this in the morning when talking to family or friends. Sentence 5. Did you sleep well? Repeat after me. Did you sleep well? A natural question for morning conversations. Sentence 6. What are your plans today? Repeat after me. What are your plans today? Use this when talking about schedules. Sentence 7. I'm getting ready for work. Repeat after me. I'm getting ready for work. A simple sentence for morning routines. Sentence 8. I'm getting ready for school. Repeat after me. I'm getting ready for school. Use this if you are a student or talking to one. Sentence 9. I'm a little tired today. Repeat after me. I'm a little tired today. A natural way to express low energy. Sentence 10. I need a cup of coffee. Repeat after me. I need a cup of coffee. Perfect for starting your morning. Sentence 11. What did you eat for breakfast? Repeat after me. What did you eat for breakfast? A friendly and common daily question. Sentence 12. I didn't eat anything yet. Repeat after me. I didn't eat anything yet. Use this if you skipped breakfast. Sentence 13. I'll eat something later. Repeat after me. I'll eat something later. A simple future intention. Sentence 14. I'm in a hurry right now. Repeat after me. I'm in a hurry right now. Use this when you don't have much time. Sentence 15. Can we talk later? Repeat after me. Can we talk later. A polite way to delay a conversation. Sentence 16. What time will you be free? Repeat after me. What time will you be free? Use it when planning a call or meeting. Sentence 17. I'll call you when I'm done. Repeat after me. I'll call you when I'm done. A natural promise in daily conversation. Sentence 18. Please wait a moment. Repeat after me. Please wait a moment. A polite request for someone's patience. Sentence 19. Give me 1 second. Repeat after me. Give me 1 second. Useful when multitasking. Sentence 20. I'm coming soon. Repeat after me. I'm coming soon. Use this when you're on your way. Sentence 21. Where are you right now? Repeat after me. Where are you right now? Common for checking someone's location. Sentence 24. I reached safely. Repeat after me. I reached safely. Use this to inform someone you arrived. Sentence 25. Let's meet outside. Repeat after me. Let's meet outside. A simple meet-up instruction. Sentence 26. I'm on my way. Repeat after me. I'm on my way. Use this when traveling toward someone. Sentence 27. Thank you for waiting. Repeat after me. Thank you for waiting. A polite acknowledgement. Sentence 28. Sorry for being late. Repeat after me. Sorry for being late. A respectful apology. Sentence 30. It won't happen again. Repeat after me. It won't happen again. A promise not to repeat a mistake. Sentence 31. What are you doing now? Repeat after me. What are you doing now? A friendly question about activity. Sentence 32. I'm just relaxing. Repeat after me. I'm just relaxing. Use this when taking a break. Sentence 33. I'm watching something. Repeat after me. I'm watching something. A simple daily life response. Sentence 34. I'm reading a book. Repeat after me. I'm reading a book. A calm activity sentence. Sentence 35. I'm cooking dinner. Repeat after me. I'm cooking dinner. A common evening routine. Sentence 36. I'm cleaning the house. Repeat after me. I'm cleaning the house. Use this when doing chores. Sentence 37. I'm working on something. Repeat after me. I'm working on something. A general but useful sentence. Sentence 38. I'm studying right now. Repeat after me. I'm studying right now. Helpful for students.